In today's video, we compare Pika Labs and Runway ML, the two most talked about AI video generation tools. Which one should you actually use for your projects? Let us break it down. AI video generation has exploded. In recent months, two tools stand out: Pika Labs and Runway ML. Both transform text into video, but they approach the problem differently. Today, we will compare them on 5 key axes: price, ease of use, output quality, integrations, and best fit user. By the end, you will know exactly which tool to choose for your specific needs. First, let us talk about pricing. Pika Labs operates on a credit system. Their basic plan costs $20 a month for 3,000 credits, with each video generation costing 100 to 300 credits, depending on settings. Runway ML offers tiered subscriptions starting at $15 a month for 125 generation minutes, with higher tiers offering more minutes and additional features. Pika's pricing can become unpredictable as credit usage varies, while Runway offers more predictable costs based on video length. For ease of use, Pika Labs has a simpler interface. You type a prompt, select aspect ratio, and generate. Runway ML offers more controls but requires more familiarity with video editing concepts. Pika's learning curve is gentler for beginners, while Runway appeals to users with some video production experience. When it comes to output quality, both tools produce impressive results, but with different strengths. Pika Labs excels at stylized videos with a dreamlike quality. Its outputs often have better coherence and consistency. Runway ML produces more photorealistic results, but can struggle with maintaining consistency across longer videos. For integrations, Runway ML has the clear advantage. It offers API access, Adobe Premiere Pro plugin, and connections to other creative tools. Pika Labs is more standalone focused with limited integration options. If you need to incorporate AI video into existing workflows, Runway is the better choice. So which tool should you pick? Choose Pika Labs if you are creating artistic content, social media clips, or experimental videos where visual style matters more than technical precision. It is ideal for solo creators and those new to video generation. Choose Runway ML. If you need professional-grade video production, require integrations with existing tools, or need more control over the output, it is better suited for experienced creators and teams working on commercial projects. If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. Next week, we are diving into a tutorial on creating consistent character animations with Pika Labs. See you then!